Your DJI Pocket 321 camera might work out of the box, but without the right settings, you won't get the best video quality. Many users overlook these options and miss out on pro-level results. But adjusting a few settings takes just a minute, and it can completely change your shots. Let's check out the top 5 settings right now. Number 1. Set resolution and frame rate. Turn on the camera. Now from the home screen, swipe up. Here you will get the resolution option. Choose 4K, which I recommend. And under the resolution option, you will get the frame rate option. Now pick the frame rate, 24 FPS or 30 FPS, which is the best for cinematic and YouTube. Now, and 60 FPS for action and smooth motion. And 1080p plus 120 FPS is the best for slow motion video. Now, look at the top right corner, you will see 16:9 text, which stands for aspect ratio. If you tap on it, it will switch to 1:1. This aspect ratio stands for square size. If you tap again, it will switch to 16:9, and this is the standard video ratio. So now, confirm and swipe down to close. Number 2. Set color profile. First, turn on your camera. Then make sure you're in video mode, not photo or slow-mo. Next, swipe left. Now, under the white balance option, you will see the color option. Tap on it to cycle between normal, HLG, and D-Log M. Use D-Log M if you're color grade later. But if you don't want to edit, then use normal. Number 3. Set ISO, shutter, white balance. First, turn on your camera, then make sure you're in video mode, not photo or slow-mo. Next, swipe left. Now tap exposure option. Look below. You will get 2 options like M and auto. M stands for manual and auto stands for automatic. Let's see the manual option. Tap on it. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see the yellow colored numbers. These are shutter speed. You will set your frame rate 24 FPS when shutter speed, then shutter speed 1/50 is the best. Just scroll up and down to adjust the shutter speed. And if you set 30 FPS, then select 1/60 shutter speed and 60 FPS for 1/120 shutter speed. Now, if you look at the right side of the screen, then you will get ISO options. Set base ISO 100 to 400 in daylight. Raise only when needed in low lights. And use auto ISO if you prefer. Then tap confirm. Now tap WB option next to exposure. Set manual Kelvin if you can. For example, 5600K for daylight, 3200K for indoor tungsten. Or use auto WB when lighting changes. Then tap confirm. Number 4. Set gimbal and stabilization modes. Turn on the camera, swipe down to bring the control center. Now select the gimbal modes from the right corner of the second row. Here you will get 3 options like follow, tilt, locked, and FPV. Follow option works for smooth pan and tilt, which is better for vlogs and walking. Then tilt locked. It keeps tilt steady. This is very good for steady forward shots. And finally, FPV. This is a more dynamic and it follows roll as well. Solution 5. Audio settings. Turn on the camera, then swipe left to open the audio settings. Now select the mic option. Then make sure to turn on the wind noise reduction. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.